In today's video, I'm going to show you how to toggle mute your microphone in OBS Studio using hotkeys. This is one of the most important quality of life settings you can set up if you're streaming, recording tutorials, or doing live content. Being able to instantly mute and unmute your mic without clicking around can save you from awkward moments, background noise, or interruptions. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open OBS Studio on your computer. Once OBS is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the window and click on the Settings button. This will open the main settings panel where all your OBS configuration options live. Inside the settings window, look at the menu on the left and click on Hotkeys. This section allows you to assign keyboard shortcuts to many OBS actions, including starting and stopping streams, recordings, and most importantly, muting audio sources. At the top of the Hotkeys menu, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type mic or mic/aux. OBS will automatically filter the list and show you the hotkey options related to your microphone input. Now look for the option that says toggle mute next to mic or mic/aux. This is the setting that allows you to mute and unmute your microphone with a single key press. Click into the empty box next to toggle mute, then press the key you want to assign. For example, you might choose something like the num * key, F10, or any key that's easy for you to reach and unlikely to be pressed by accident. Once the key is assigned, double-check that it doesn't conflict with other OBS hotkeys or software you're using, especially if you're gaming or using editing tools at the same time. OBS will usually warn you if there's a conflict, but it's still good to be mindful. After you've set your hotkey, click Apply in the bottom right corner, then click OK to save your settings and close the menu. Now let's quickly test it. Look at the audio mixer section in OBS and watch the mic or mic/aux meter. Press your hotkey once and you should see the microphone mute icon appear. Press the hotkey again and the mic will unmute. This confirms that your toggle mute hotkey is working correctly. Using a toggle mute hotkey is especially useful during live streams when you need to cough, talk to someone off camera, or avoid background noise without stopping your stream or recording. It's a small setup step that makes a huge difference in professionalism and control. And that's it. You've successfully set up a hotkey to toggle mute your microphone in OBS Studio. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more OBS tips and easy software guides, and let me know in the comments what other OBS features you'd like help with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.